Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the Site Design Widget, a powerful tool for creating professional and attractive websites. In this video, we're going to dive into how to use the Site Design Widget to create a website that's a little more tailored to your business needs. So let's access the Site Design Widget. We can simply enter Site Design in the top search, or you can find this in your left-hand navigation. Once you're in, you're going to see this theme gallery interface. So before we feel a little bit overwhelmed, let's take a look at this together and go through our options. So one of the advantages of the Site Design widget is the ability to choose from a wide range of website templates and themes. These templates and themes range from single agent themes to team sites and luxury portfolios, ensuring there's always an option that meets the needs of the users. Each template is thoughtfully designed to showcase unique attributes of the user and your business, providing an individualized experience for each client who visits your site. Customization of a selected template or theme is easy thanks to the depth theme descriptions. Simply click on a theme to learn more about its built-in features. For example, in this theme, we can see that it includes an about paragraph, featured homes, testimonials, custom content, and more. You can even take it for a quick test drive by clicking preview. This will allow you to preview the theme on desktop, tablet, and mobile view. So let's check out another theme to see some of the differences. And again, we can quickly preview these themes. Another benefit of the Site Design widget is that these themes and templates are all fully responsive, meaning that they all look great and work on any device. This is particularly important in today's digital age as more and more people are accessing your website from their mobile devices or tablets. These responsive designs ensure that the user's website will look great on any device, making it easy for your clients to navigate and find the information that they need. Happy with the template you've selected? Click Set Live to change this immediately on your website. So, what are you waiting for? Come find a theme that suits your needs. We hope you found this overview helpful. If you have any questions or comments about this widget, leave them below in the comments, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. So, give it a try, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.